Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review of this Crazepony UM24C USB 2.0 power meter tester. It's a multimeter, has color LCD, and yeah, should be able to do a lot of things. This one comes with a Bluetooth option to connect to the mobile phone app or to your PC software. So I have no idea how this works. Here's the description. It seems to be capable of almost everything. Looks really interesting. Also the display. So I have bought this now on Amazon. It's really just a little bit more than $20, $25. Comes in a small box. Here we have some more information about that, if you like that. It's pretty small. There are other options I have seen on Amazon, maybe one which is a little bit more high end or better quality. I don't know what's exactly the difference, but it's about 3 times the price compared to this. So I decided, I'm not a pro, I'm just using that sometimes, so I decided for the cheaper option, but sometimes it's cheaper is not good decision. But let's see. The reviews are not bad. As you can see, there are not many reviews, but there are 12 reviews, average 4.5 points. Okay, the average the point system is a little bit doubtful sometimes, so this is a little bit hard to take out. Yeah. So what disappoints me extremely now, hope you can see that, the screen is totally scratched. I mean, this is supposed to be a new device, but I think it's somehow refurbished, or I don't know. I mean, it was sealed outside, but inside it looks terrible. I mean, if I would use that for me, after 1 year or so, it would still look better, definitely. So I have to find a possibility to take it out. That's really not difficult, not easy. You have to make sure that you don't break this thing, because yeah, I was pulling, but I see this is probably not a good idea to pull too hard. Let's find out how. Probably I need something to grab underneath. Okay, I didn't have to take something. I was grabbing it with the finger from one corner, pushing into that and taking it out. But yeah, okay. The build quality is probably not the very best. It doesn't look too flimsy, but maybe it would have been worth to pay a little bit extra money for the more expensive thing. So let's see. Yeah, when I connect it to battery. So here I have a really big chunk of battery charger. It's supposed to have almost 20,000 milliampere hours. So I want to see now how much power it really has. So I plug it in and it does nothing. Okay, maybe I have to maybe I have to use a consumer. So let me grab something. So I have now a fan here, a USB fan. I'm plugging in this thing here. Okay. And also here. And turn it on. And nothing happens. Not good, not good, not good. Okay, now I have to take a different thing. Hold on. Okay, so I brought now this solar USB charger, yeah, this power bank, and let's see how this works, if we can use that here. Probably we have to push the button before it works, so let's see. Now that's the moment. Yeah, okay, that looks good so far. We see the voltage 5.06 volts and no amps, because yeah, I didn't turn on the fan. So when I turn on the fan, it should activate, it should show some amps. Okay, it definitely does. 0.5 amps. That's good so far. It should also count the watt hours, milliampere hours, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So I hope I can show you this a little bit closer so you can see everything, or I zoom in a little bit, it's maybe better. Let's see if I can focus on that. So it's turned off. I don't know why it turned off, maybe to save some battery, and I have no clue how I could activate. Here we have some buttons. Here one here, and one here, and one here. Okay, but still I'm still a little bit struggling to show you everything. Yeah, it's not totally focused, but I hope you get an idea what it can do, or what it can show only with this on this small device. So, and if I connect to my mobile phone, then I probably will be able to show you much more. So here I can click next. Yeah, you see on top in which menu we are. That's really nice. Here obviously some settings, and that's it. Now we are back on the first screen. So yeah, that's more or less it, I guess. So with the buttons at the top, I haven't seen any use. So maybe in the help, but not even in the help. Or maybe we can scroll with this within the help. Long press to rotate the screen left, long press to rotate the screen right. Okay. Yeah, we can rotate. So now I can't rotate it back. Okay. Yeah, mean not too bad. And yeah, I will definitely make another video about the Android app and the PC software, but this thing alone is already worth the money, so that's really nice. So I was a little bit scared about the build. I'm showing you the thing from the side, how it looks. So yeah, it definitely is not, you shouldn't push too hard to these things. So these are just 3 layers of electronics screwed together on top of the screen, but it works. So you have to be just a little bit careful with the whole thing. So to reactivate, obviously you can just push. It doesn't stop measuring, it's continuing. You see it has continued counting up, so even when the display turns off, it's just like a screensaver. So I'll read through the whole thing and I will install the software and then I will do another video. But so far I'm really happy with it. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.